Hello everyone, welcome back to EduMoon tutorials. This is our third lecture part B video where we will be discussing about AOD and its examples. In the previous videos, I have already given few examples related to DOA. Now let's get into AOD. Fine, a little concept again. AOD is anti-division, right? In AOD stands for any other to decimal. Please try remembering this one. Now, let us see few examples where we will be solving AOD cases. Any other can be either binary, octal or hexadecimal. See, I have taken the examples where it is hexadecimal and octal and binary. Any other into decimal. 10 is always a decimal, right? Now, for this one we will be doing anti-division, which is multiplication. With what we will be multiplying? With respect to their bases. Now, I have already said in the previous ones also, like whenever you want to convert from one number base system to the other number base system, we will be multiplying it to their powers with 0 and 1. Okay, now here 16. F is actually 15. We will not be using F directly, we will be using 15 for F. 15 into 16 power 0 plus 1 into 16 power 1, which is equals to 15 into 1 plus 16. 15 plus 16 equals to 31. So this is our decimal. I hope you are clear with this example. There's nothing in it. It's only any other to decimal, which we will be using anti-division, which is multiplication. When you get to know AOD and DOA, you will be really solving any problems with ease. Now let's get into the other example. 102.11 in the octal to its decimal. Any other to decimal, again anti-division, which is multiplication. With what we will be multiplying now? With the powers of 8. So 0, 1 and 2. And after the decimals, it will be minus 1 and minus 2. So 1 into 8 square plus 0 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 power 0. 2 into 8 power 0 plus again 1 into 8 power minus 1 plus 1 into 8 power minus 2. Now 8 square is 64 plus 0 into anything is 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So 2 into 1 equals to 2 plus 8 inverse, like 8 power minus 1 is 1 by 8 plus 8 power minus 2 is 1 by 64. After solving this entire one, you will be getting 66.140625. Done. Consider the other example. We have the binary, which is to be converted into decimal. So 1101111. So again power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always before the decimal point, we will be traversing from right to the left. And after the decimal, left to the right. So whenever this is the decimal, in this direction, and after the decimal, in this direction. Always remember this notation. Okay, now start multiplying. 1 into 2 power 6 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. After solving this entire one, we will be getting 111, which is in the decimal. So now it's clear, guys. Any other to decimal, we will be multiplying. Now let's consider a advanced kind of problem where I'll be discussing now. Now we have already seen the cases are like octal, hexadecimal, and decimal and binary. But what is actually base 4? We have never seen such kind of conversions. Well, bases can be from anything, but what we usually consider is octal, hexadecimal, binary and decimal. So whenever you find any other bases except those regular ones, always put in your mind it is AOD and DOA. Only this one will help you to solve any other kind of problems. So first, what we will be doing for finding these kind of problems? Any other base must be first converted to the decimal, and from decimal to any other base. So this is the key point for this kind of problem. You will be knowing why exactly I'm referring to these terms when you find such kind of different basis problems. Now, any other to decimal. So 2.3 of the base 4 must first be converted into its decimal. So how you will be doing any other to decimal? Again, anti-division, which is multiplication with its base. So here it is 0 and this one must be multiplied with the powers of minus 1. So 2 into 4 power 0 plus 3 into 4 power minus 1, which is equals to 2 plus plus 3 by 4. Okay, just leave it like that because we'll be seeing fractions for this one also. So I just don't want to just mix it up and confuse you guys. So again, now 1.2 must be converted into its decimal, which is equals to 0 and minus 1. So 1 into 4 power 0 plus 2 into 4 power minus 1, which is equals to 1 plus 2 by 4. Now adding these two terms like this one and this one, because there's an addition here, so we'll be adding these two terms, which is equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4 equals to 5 by 4, 5 by 4, which is equivalent to 4.25. Okay, now this 4.25 is your decimal form. See, we have done the additions using the conversion from A to D, like any other to decimal. So now we are having a value of 4.25 in its decimal form. Now convert back into its base 4. Now we'll be using decimal to any other. Like how we'll be using for decimal to any other? So now we have the value 4.25 in its base 10, which needs to be converted into its base 4. Here what? Decimal to any other, which you will be doing division. Division with what? With its base. Now 4, consider only the integer part. Okay, don't get confused while using even the decimal points. For the decimal we have another method. So 4, 1 and 0. If we traverse up, it is equals to 1 0 dot. Now we need to find what are these values. We have 0.25, right? 0.25 now must be multiplied with this 4, which is equals to 1.00. So consider only the integer part, which is 1. Now the ones left after the decimal point are 0.00 into 4, which is equals to 0.00 again. So this is 0. Now this one should be traversed from upward to the downward direction, which is equals to 1 0 and then base 4. Therefore the value of y will be 10.10. So I hope you guys are clear with this video. I just want you to give few example problems. Try finding out the answers for all of these. I want you to pause the video, note down these questions and try solving them as a homework. So you will be really getting to know what I'm talking about. This is a really easy and a trickiest topic. So when you start doing a lot of problems, it will be easier to you to carry on with any kind of problems. I hope you really enjoyed this session. Stay tuned to EduMoon for further videos. Thank you.